Every realtor is undergoing the same situation. Posting ads on social media, paying for the ads in newspapers and magazines, adding properties to online real estate platforms, and maybe going that extra mile to lay out some flyers or business cards around town. But there's absolutely nothing wrong with these strategies of selling or even renting your property. But there's got to be a better way to do this, right? We're living in 2022, folks. The problem starts when some realtors start taking the aforementioned strategies as their bread and butter and depend on them to be their lifeblood. But in this video, we're going to put forward some new strategies which are going to help you a great deal in your journey to real estate success. But before we move on, make sure you press the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss out on anything related to the real estate market. A recent study by the National Association of Realtors, NAR, found that more than 85% of buyers actually bought their property through real estate brokerage. Interestingly, the same study pointed out that more than 70% of buyers buy their property by interviewing the first real estate agent they meet. This shows us that having a solid hold over the real estate market is absolutely crucial for us to make big profits. So here are some marketing strategies and ideas that will help you upgrade your mindset regarding real estate. Develop or create a website. It goes without saying that much of the advertising in the modern days is done through online platforms and social media in particular. This also means that if you want to gain an edge over other realtors, developing an online website forms a pivotal point of your advertisement, which will ultimately improve your chances of selling and renting. You can include listings on your website and update them regularly. You can also add something catchy and unexpected, which will help you gain more buyers over the long term. For example, you can add a mortgage calculator to your website so that the buyers get immersed in your website and are ready to pay a visit and do the talking. The second most important strategy is developing email marketing campaigns. You can send a monthly newsletter roundup of your blog content and reach out to contacts when new property listings are introduced to you. Usage of images of the property that you can also link in, a video walkthrough of the property, or a virtual staging of the home. All these points can help you stand out in the market and ultimately attract more buyers. This brings us to probably the most important marketing strategy, and that is partnering with local businesses. You can always use your local connections and partner with clothing boutiques, home decor showrooms, stock market investors, and coffee shops to promote listings and invite them to participate in an engaging open house event. A unique way to encourage prospects to visit your open house can be to set up pop-up shops in different rooms of the house. This encourages potential buyers to look through each room, and you can collaborate with local businesses to determine discounts on goods that can be offered to home buyers. This also creates a sense of trust with the buyers, which can also help you secure referrals. At number 4, we have the magic of referrals. Referrals can greatly increase your chances of making a sale. According to reports, 41% of buyers get to their desired property through referrals from friends and family. You can always reach out to buyers for their referrals after they've moved into their new home and request a referral through email. Making videos is the next big step. You can always make your property stand out by making some quality videos and adding all the important deals which can catch the imagination of buyers. It won't even cost thousands because all it takes is a good camera and some photography skills. Time to use those Instagram skills, folks. The sixth step to increase your chances of selling or renting your property is through making an actively leveraged social media profile. Maintaining an active and engaging social media presence is one of the better ways to frame yourself as a trusted advisor for prospects, generate interest, and communicate with potential clients. Join local Facebook groups, answer relevant questions that arise on them, and take similar strides on other platforms like Twitter and Instagram. You can also share helpful content with your followers. One way or another, establish yourself as an authority in your domain by demonstrating that you know what you're talking about. Prospective clients want to connect with real estate agents that understand the practice, their niche, and their areas. Show that you have a grasp on all of those with your social media presence. Number 7 revolves around creating a great business card to engage the maximum number of buyers. This is something that is often overlooked, but it can provide great results. Printing solid, satisfying, as well as appealing business cards is one of the best ways real estate tycoons or even beginners can get their brands out and demonstrate professionalism. Business cards are easily distributable and can help you capitalize on any in-person interactions you have with potential clients. They're essentially micro-marketing resources and serve as instant calls to action for any prospective conversations. The eighth strategy includes investing in branded swags. People love free stuff, and sometimes this stuff can make some important sales for you by acting as the agent. So, if you have an opportunity to provide this swag, you should never miss it. Keychains, cute mugs, cushions, or even t-shirts, everything works. Filming walkthroughs is probably the most appealing as well as a popular strategy among real estate professionals. It provides a realistic experience to the buyers, which will further enhance your chances of making a sale or renting your property. Today, consumers are receptive to engaging experiences, especially when it comes to getting to know homes they might buy. If you're selling or leasing properties, conducting thorough video tours of them and posting those clips with your listings can add a degree of credibility and intrigue to your real estate marketing. Last but not least, we have the reminder, or to put it in advertising terms, the email newsletter. The best and the most popular way to keep yourself at the top of potential clients' minds is by staying in active touch with them via a newsletter. Send them relevant content, report on local real estate news, and update them on listings in their area. It doesn't have to be particularly complex or extensive, just enough to keep them thinking of you by letting them know you're staying up on the trends in your local market. This strategy can act as a reminder for potential buyers. It can also provoke that sudden spark, which is all that is necessary to make a sale in today's world. So, those were the 10 most important strategies for real estate marketing advertising. Let us know in the comments section below if you found these strategies useful, and we'll see you in the next video.